Oh, there it is! The legendary giant puppet!
Look at me! I'm the ruler of all the puppets!
It shouldn't be that hard to grab it.
Let me go! I need to rule my puppet kingdom! No!
Haha, I did it!
Oh, hi!
Becca, the most wanted puppet thief? You're under arrest.
There must be a mistake. I wasn't stealing.
That's enough. I'll be taking this for evidence.
Huh? Wait! No! This must be a mistake! No, I've been framed!
Move along.
Huh? Please, I have to get back to my kingdom! Let me out!
Haha, puppet is my favorite!
Huh?
Becca, Mom needs your help outside.
Oh, man.
Hurry up, Becca.
Fine. Where am I? It's so dark! Ah! Wow, a puppet toy in my home! Ah! Bye! You're gonna be best friends! Ah! Becca, please help! I'm scared of bugs!
Psst, Becca, check it out. I brought my puppet to school.
Ooh, that's so cute! I brought mine too!
Let's play puppet.
Puppet dance party! The difference between DNA and RNA is, huh? What's that sound? You two are supposed to be studying. Who's disrupting my class? No, we haven't separated yet! What? No! Don't take my best friend!
Oh, this is my only puppet. I don't want her to take it. I'm sorry, but you have to stay here.
Please don't leave me here! I'm scared of the dark! Ah! What's going on here? Lily!
What is it, Mom? Why are you yelling?
Clean up this mess now!
Actually, I was gonna go to the mall with my friends. Can I do it later?
No, you're not going anywhere until your room is clean.
But Mom...
Enough! You're cleaning now. Start with your laundry. Hey! What about me, Lily? We were in the middle of a game!
There's so much clothes everywhere.
Lily! Hey!
I think that's everything. Time to wash it.
Hey, Lily! You forgot about me!
Now that I started the laundry, I can go out.
Oh, I'm so dizzy! Get me out of here!
Man, I only have 1 hour to study for this test. Let's do it. What's that sound?
Woohoo! Hot party!
Becca, can you play that somewhere else? I'm trying to study.
Come on, Lily. It's not that loud.
Are you serious? Hello, Becca.
That's right, Lily. You can't stop my party. Huh?
Good luck trying to play with your puppet now.
Huh? Where am I? Becca, get me out of here! I want to go back to the party!
I love my new puppet. It smells like candy.
The tickles!
Ooh. Becca, why'd you take my puppet? Give it back.
I want to try.
No, it's mine.
Oh, stop fighting, guys! It hurts! Somebody help!
Let
Whoa!
go.
What's going on? Why are you guys fighting?
Becca stole my puppet.
Lily won't share.
Please help me, Mom! Ah!
I should get the puppet.
No, you already played with it.
Both of you stop! Since you two can't get along, both of you will be cleaning the kitchen.
What?
No fair.
No excuses. Go get started. Being a mom is so hard. Maybe I'll just play Puppet to reduce my stress. Playing with Puppet is so fun. I love playing with you, Mom. Hey, Lily, Becca, look at the balloons I brought for you guys to pop. Haha, let's do another one. Hey, why aren't you guys having fun?
Puppets are so boring now.
I want to do something else. Oh, I know. Lily, do you want to play VR with me?
Whoa, you have VR?
Here, you can go first. Looks like we don't need you anymore.
Wait, no, I'll learn new tricks. Do you like balloon animals? Come on. Ew, the trash can's so gross. It smells so bad. I hate you, Becca.
Becca, hurry up! Amy's waiting outside!
Oh, I still gotta finish my makeup.
Come on, hurry up, we're late!
Oh, hurry up, Becca! Lily's getting impatient!
Oh, my brush is so dirty. What am I gonna do? Oh!
Hey, my poppet!
Hold on, Lily. Watch this. I can use your poppet to clean my brush. Add soap and water onto the poppet.
Mmm, the soap smells so good!
Now take the brush and scrub.
Oh, look at all these bubbles! Ah, get that dirty brush away!
Now rinse the brush off with water. See, Lily? My brush is all clean now.
Whoa, that's cool, Becca! Now finish your makeup, we gotta go! Right.
Huh? You can't leave me here like this after I helped you clean! Becca!
This essay is so stressful. I know. I'll relax with my poppet.
Shh! Careful, Lily. We don't want to get in trouble. Huh? Is that a poppet? No poppets in the library! You know the rules. Hand it over.
Oh, this? This isn't a poppet. It's a gummy.
Get me out of here, Lily! I don't belong here! Well, no eating in the library either. Now hand it over.
If you say so.
Ew, that looks so gross. Just put it away. Oh.
Thank you, Miss Joyce.
But if I see you breaking the rules one more time, you have to leave my library.
Okay. It's so gross. I can't play with it looking like this. Ugh.
Lily! You can't just leave me there like this. So gross.
Hi, everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.